Welcome to PeakSend AI. In this video, I want to give you a brief overview of how to use PeakSend AI to the fullest. And so right now you've landed on this page after having logged in for the very first time. Now this right here is just a little launchpad page. You don't have to really worry about much right now, but you can go in and integrate into a variety of platforms, but more on that later on. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that your AI agent is configured properly. Up until this point, you've already filled out the onboarding form, which means you've specified what kind of agent you want to have. You've provided a sales script or allowed the AI to write one for you. And so now your AI agent has already been configured and is ready to go. And so to check that out, first thing you're going to need to do is come over here on the left-hand menu bar and scroll down. You're going to see that there's a PeakSend AI app at the bottom. You'll click on that, and it should direct you automatically to this page. So this is showing you that your AI agent is ready to go and ready to test. So you can call this number right now and hear exactly how your AI sounds. Now, most of the time you're going to want to make some edits. And so to do that, you'll come over here to configure AI agents. So in this page, you'll be able to see a variety of things. So you'll notice it took the script and converted it and optimized it for sales and for AI conversations. And it automatically did the prompt engineering, which is what the AI essentially reads and follows in order to actually follow the script accurately. Now, on top of that, we have a lot in the back end where we've pre-trained the AI on sales, and we have pre-trained prompts in the back end that actually allow the AI to function way more accurately than if you were just trying to do this yourself. And so right here, you can go ahead and change different parts of the script. But ultimately, if you do run into any serious prompt issues, you can contact us and we can help you out. Like I mentioned, it's pre-trained on objection handling. So you can come in here and you can remove, you can add objections, you can insert dynamic variables from the CRM, but you can also instruct the AI on how to handle objections in the way that you would like it to. So by default, since the AI is pre-trained on objection handling, you can actually leave these blank and it will still respond to an objection and handle it pretty well. However, if you want to say something specific, you can get in the weeds and make edits and change things, and that's what the AI will default to. In addition, you can also change the frequently asked questions. It will automatically come up with that if it's found in your script or based on likely questions it's about to hear. You can come in here and change this at any point in time, and you can add additional FAQs at any point in time. You can also configure the voicemail setting right here. And let's just go back up to the top here. Let's close that out. And you can also change a variety of things, such as the name of the agent, the tone of voice, as well as which calendar the agent will book on. So one thing in particular you have to be sure of is that they're actually the calendar already in the CRM here. If not, then you can actually go up here, click on calendars and configure your calendar, which there's another video specifically on that you can take a look at. Now, once you do select the calendar, from there, you can also change the sales closer's name or title. So for example, if it was a team that was going to be taking the meeting and it would just depend on who's available, you could change the closer's name to a title, such as licensed insurance agent. And then you can also change the agent type. And so we have outbound and inbound agents, and then we have inbound only agents. Now, the reason it's always outbound and inbound and never just outbound is because what happens is when you're dialing outbound, sometimes people see that they missed a call and call that same agent back. And so that's why it's outbound and inbound. But if you actually set up a campaign where you want the agent to be specifically an inbound agent only, that's where you want to go ahead and click on this and make that change. But just recognize that that will change the way the script is handled, especially at the very beginning, to make sure that it makes sense with the context of being an inbound only call. Okay, you can change company name and a few other details. Now, once you finish that, the way to test your agent is to come over here and actually just give this phone number a call. We always give you at least 10 free minutes to try out the agent, which allows you to hear what it sounds like live and make any changes you need to the script, the tone of voice, things like that, before you're ready to actually go live. So once you've given that a call and you're ready to go ahead and just click on pick your plan if you haven't already. And then from there, you can choose whatever plan fits your needs with the volume you're looking to do.